Imagine a cosmic explosion so powerful it outshines 10 trillion suns. That's exactly what astronomers believe they've witnessed, a supermassive black hole unleashing a record-breaking eruption after devouring a star at least 30 times more massive than our own sun. But here's where it gets controversial. This event, dubbed J2245 plus 3743, might be the most energetic and distant flare ever recorded from a black hole, but it's still awaiting confirmation as a tidal disruption event, TDE. If verified, it would dwarf the previous record holder, affectionately nicknamed Scary Barbie after its 2023 discovery, which only consumed a star 3 to 10 times the sun's mass. This isn't just a distant, dazzling light show, it's a cosmic feast of epic proportions. The black hole responsible is a whopping 500 million times more massive than the sun and sits a staggering 10 billion light-years away. To put that in perspective, the universe itself is only about 13.8 billion years old. As astronomers monitored this event over several months, the flare blazed up to 30 times brighter than any previously observed, with its peak brightness fluctuating by 40-fold. This is unlike any active galactic nucleus, AGN, we've ever seen, said lead researcher Matthew Graham of Caltech, who also serves as a project scientist for the Zwicky Transient Facility, ZTF. The ZTF first spotted this event in 2018, and since then, multiple telescopes in space and on Earth have kept a watchful eye on the flare. Interestingly, when the research paper was published, the eruption was still ongoing, though gradually fading, like a star only partially consumed, as Graham puts it, a fish only halfway down the whale's gullet. And this is the part most people miss. J2245 plus 3743's brilliance is even more astonishing when compared to the roughly 100 other TDEs recorded so far. Most flares are barely distinguishable from a black hole's typical feeding activity, making them incredibly difficult to detect. But this flare stood out like a beacon, shining far above the black hole's usual glow. While the idea of a massive star being shredded in such an event is rare, the research team believes there are likely more out there. They plan to scour ZTF data for similar occurrences, and the newly operational Vera C Rubin Observatory could uncover even more as it scans the skies. But here's the thought-provoking question: if events like J2245 plus 3743 are more common than we think, what does that mean for our understanding of black hole behavior and the universe's most extreme phenomena? Could we be underestimating the frequency of these cosmic fireworks? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's spark a discussion as explosive as this black hole eruption itself.